Hello everyone. This is an online section for Class 7 Computer Science.
The topic for this section is hardware components of a computer. A computer system has two components, generally hardware and software. Now, what are hardware components? The hardware components are the physical parts of a computer which we can touch and see. Some of the examples are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. The second one, software components. These are the programs which instruct a computer to do different tasks. These components cannot be touched. Some of the examples are Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. Now, the categorization of hardware components based on its functionality. The hardware components are divided into many types based on its functionality. Out of that, the important ones are input hardware, output hardware, storage hardware, and network hardware. Now, what are input hardware? Input hardware are the hardware which is used for inputting data into a computer. Second one, output hardware. Output hardware are the hardware which is used to get the output from a computer. The third one, storage hardware. Storage hardware are used to storage data and retrieve the data. Fourth one, network hardware. These are hardware used for networking purposes or transmission purposes. Now the division of hardware based on its location on a computer in which they are connected. The first one is external hardware components and the second one internal hardware components. Now what are external hardware components? External hardware components are the hardware components which we can see from the outside. Now, what are internal hardware components? The internal hardware components are the components which we cannot see from the outside. Now, in detail about external hardware components. Some of the examples of external hardware components are monitors, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, USB flash drive, modem, and ports. Now the first one, monitor. It is an output device used for displaying information in the form of both text and images. It is also known as visual display unit. As you can see in the images, there are two kinds of monitors available. The first one is the older type of monitors, also known as CRT monitors, and the newer ones which is known as LCD or LED monitors. Monitors are available in various size and shapes. Now the second component, that is keyboard. Keyboard is an input device used to input letters, numbers, and other symbols into a computer. The different keys in the keyboard can perform different functions. The third component is mouse. Mouse is an input device used to give instructions to a computer with the click of its two buttons. It can also control the movement on the screen using cursor. The fourth component is known as printer. A printer is an output device used to print text or images on a sheet of paper. These paper are known as hard copy. Printers are mainly of two types. They are first one, impact printers. Second one, non-impact printers. Now, what are impact printers? Impact printers are printers which uses print head technology to strike an ink ribbon to print a text or images. Now, the second category, non-impact printers. Non-impact printers are printers using laser thermal technology to plot inks from printing text or images on a sheet of paper. The next component, that is the fifth component, scanner. Scanner is an input device used to scan an image or printed text in the form of digital images. Based on its use, they are divided into two types. The first category known as flatbed scanner. The second category, barcode scanner. Now in detail about flatbed scanner. It uses a flat surface to scan and send it to a computer.
The second category of scanners known as barcode scanners. You know about barcodes? Barcodes is a group of vertical lines or bars printed on a paper. We need barcode scanners to read these codes. So a barcode scanner is a scanner that is used to scan barcodes and send it to a computer. The sixth category is USB flash drives. The other name of USB flash drives is known as pen drives. These are storage hardwares used to store data on a computer. It can store the data and can retrieve the data from a computer. Based on its different storage capabilities, the USB flash drive varies from 4 GB to 512 GB. The seventh component known as modem. The word modem means modulation and demodulation. So, what is modulation? Modulation means the conversion of digital information to analog, and demodulation means the conversion of analog information to digital. Modem is a device used to perform modulation and demodulation on a computer. It is mainly used for data transmission. It can connect using wired or wireless technology. The wireless technology which we are familiarized is known as Wi-Fi. Nowadays, most of the devices are using Wi-Fi technologies. The eighth component is known as ports. A port is a hardware medium used to connect between internal to external hardwares or vice versa. That means external to internal. Ports are of two types, internal ports and external ports. Internal ports are the ports which connect internal devices such as hard disk, CD, DVD drives, etc. to a computer. The second category known as external ports. External ports is used to connect external devices such as printers, mouse, keyboard, pen drives, etc. to a computer. I hope you already get the topics for today's section. Thank you and have a nice day.